Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Mortal Kombat 11 on PC. This will be a quick and easy guide, so follow me step by step. Before we do begin, make sure to leave a like on this video if it helps, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you need to get is get Steam right over here. This is where you buy games and most of the popular games right now on PC. So to do that, download Steam, go to your browser right like so. Any browser will do. Just type in Steam right over here. Once over here, go ahead and click on the first link, and on the main page, and you scroll down, you should be able to see an install button on the middle, but if you do not see here, it should be on the upper right corner right over here. Just go ahead and click on this. Once installed, go ahead and install the process, and it should be looking like this on your desktop right over here. Once it opens, it should prompt you to create account and sign up and sign in. As you can see, I am already signed in with my account right over here. Now once signed in, just go ahead and simply type in Mortal Kombat 11. There you go. And just a quick tip, this is not free game, so go ahead and buy. How much is it currently? Sometimes there is a lot of sale, sometimes a summer sale, Christmas sale, or even Black Friday sale. So for example, currently this is equivalent to $40-50. That is how much is Mortal Kombat 11 right now. There's no sale right now, but anyways, just go ahead and click on add to cart right over here. Once done, go ahead and click on continue shopping, and it should pop you on the shopping cart right over here. As you can see, I already have the Tekken 8 as well on here, so I'll just remove that over here. Then continue to payment. Once done, you can choose a payment method over here with Visa, MasterCard, anything will do. Just go ahead and once done, go ahead and continue, and you should have the game on your library. Once done, you can install the game on your library. As for me, I have the Left 4 Dead 2, so I don't have the game installed, but I bought it. Okay, so anyways, that is basically it, guys. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.